I know you like to design and take what you see and create your own experience. What do you think is the next wave or the next trend in our industry? Um, do you see any
Well,
opportunities maybe for reclaimed wood to be a part of that?
I just saw a really interesting talk a couple weeks ago at the Green Schools Conference. It was given by Bill Browning, who I had met years ago at the Rocky Mountain Institute. He's now in a different consulting business, but he was talking about biophilia.
Hmm.
And I kind of wondered what that term meant, but he's really looking heavily at the effect that exposure to nature in our buildings has on the productivity and health, happiness, and so on of the people who occupy those buildings.
Right.
And so, again, I think one of the advantages of reclaimed wood is that it's a natural material. It has,
Hmm.
naturally has that kind of, I think, character and quality to it that
Yeah.
can add to that experience. So he had actually done some pretty controlled experiments in a healthcare setting, a hospital, looking at the well-being of patients as they either had access to a window to look at actual landscape outside,
Right.
or were they looking out at a brick wall, or did they have no window, and
Yeah.
found that their health outcomes were noticeably, basically they could measure
Wow.
an increase in their health outcomes
Hmm.
simply by having the opportunity to look out the window. We found the same thing in doing a lot of our schools,
Hmm.
where the opportunity for students and teachers to be exposed to nature and natural light and things like that recharges portions of the brain that allows them to focus, be more focused when they are focused,
Hmm.
to feel more energized in the space that they're in, and
Yeah.
to learn better and to retain better
Hmm.
the material that they're working with. So I think there's a natural fit for reclaimed wood in all of that,
Yeah.
because it's part of that biophilia.